can do it. Hey. Oh. You want to get down now? You have to get on your bottom or your tummy. Go down on get on your bottom and then switch to your tummy. That's it. Or you might just have to stay sitting there. Look at you, tall boy.
A bat.
What is it?
A bat.
Take your nunu out. I can't understand you.
A bat.
A bat?
Bat.
Really?
Bat.
What does that? Mum in the picture. Who else is in the picture?
Evie.
Evie. Who else can you see?
Evie.
Who else?
Evie.
Evie. What about
Mom.
Mum? Yeah.
Shape.
Looking at these pictures over here. What about Dad? Dad over there. Can you see Dad?
That's rock.
Daddy's at work. Yeah, that's right. Daddy's at work. You say bye-bye. Good boy.